What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, guys, for another weekly recap. Today, what we're going to do, guys, I want to speak a little bit about trading options and the Fibonacci. I know a lot of you guys love to do that, so I'm going to walk you through step by step on some of my most powerful strategies, my friends. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. All right, hit me with a one if you can hear me loud and clear, and we'll get right into it. First of all, this week, 25 points on the week. It wasn't a huge week, but still $1,250 per contract. Can't really, complain. There was one day where we did take a big hit, and I want to walk you guys through that. Thursday was our huge day with the most profits, and then we kind of it was up and down week, but still happy to finish positive. All right, I'm going to do a market update. Do some giveaways, look at futures, and I have a really hot new interactive broker video. Lots of hype from you guys and a lot of support already, and I'll show you guys that. All right, guys, so let's go. Some shout outs, get right into it. Brendan, what's going on? Trading Wars Army. Ferris, Bill, Trading Wars Army. Briggs, Wesley, Gus, Anthony, Trading Wars Army. Nunya, Dino, G-Man, Dr. D, Bill, Brandon, Trading Wars Army. Arun, Tyrone, Diana, Dr. D, Eric, Steph, Ram, Gazi. All right, let's begin, my friends. Okay, so on Friday, we had a textbook gap and go, and I want to show you guys this. We haven't been getting a lot of gap and goes in the market in recent times, just because we've been kind of choppy or it's been pretty bearish. So this gap and go was a treat for us on Friday. So let me go ahead and walk you through that. So gap and go, honestly, guys, the opening range breakout went for 40 points. I only scalped 5 points. So I feel a little bit like I left a lot on the table, and I think I did. But I'm still not going to complain. It took 5 points, $250 a contract, wrapped Friday up. But you'll see that this one went for a massive home run. So let's go ahead. And the first thing we want to do is draw Friday's high, which was right there. What I want you guys to notice is look at this wick here on Thursday. Okay, let me zoom in. Do you guys see what direction did we make in the morning of Thursday? Is that bearish or bullish? Hit me with a 1 for bearish, hit me with a 2 with bullish. And what you'll see here, guys, is actually on Thursday around 10 o'clock, we had a seller that stepped in. And I'm going to show you that what happened was we also had a pre-market fib. I'll show you what happened on Thursday, but the pre-market fib, there was some big buyers that stepped in here as well on Thursday going into the close. So what we had was a very strong dynamic. We had a seller at the top of the range and a buyer at the bottom. They were both trying to fight for position into Lotto Friday. And you'll see right off the bat, guys, first 3-minute bar, boom, gap up, strong, powerful, huge monster bar. Okay, so we have that big bar on the gap up. So what is our go-to strategy when we have that big gap up right there, guys? This is our opening range break. You can see right over here, this short seller had to throw in the towel at the open. So what I did right here is I just took the 3-minute opening range breakout. So how do we do that? We'll put a level on the high, put that in orange, and put a level on the low. So what we're going to do is if it breaks the high, we're going to go long. If it breaks the low, we're going to go short. I'll take you into the Discord for my live commentary. So this was us on Friday. Hi, friends. I'll be watching the 3-minute orb to start the day, then straight into the fibs. Long orb. So we got long at 9:33 a.m. Boom, guys. There was our fill. So I scalped it right there. Bang, bang. So you can see we got a nice little push up right there. I scalped this. And then now looking back, kind of kicking myself, guys. If I was a little bit more patient, I would have been able to ride this whole wave. So 40 points on the day. I'm only going to mark it up as 5 points just to be transparent with you guys. I did not get that whole move, but I very much wish I did. All right, guys, hit me with the 10 if you're good for Friday. So Friday, that was it. There was no pullback. We were waiting for fibs. We were just trending on this 20 EMA. That's when the market is extremely like when it's a trend day, guys, you won't get a pullback. It'll just be gone. And those type of plays, that's why I like to use the orbs just to get in. And those trend days usually happen about 20% of the time in the market. Okay, generally there will be a pullback, and you'll see like we had on Thursday. Okay, so Thursday was the best trade of the week for us. We had our afternoon leg fib with 15 points. Our pre-market fib went for 19 points. And this was the story here that I'm going to show you guys, this was the story of the week that really told the truth about what was going on in the market. So net 34 points, $1,700 per contract. This was the masterpiece of the week. And I always tell you guys, it's, if you hit hard on one day of the week, guys, that's all that you really need. Because if you break even for the rest of the days, or if you have small losers, one big day can make you profit for the week. And the way you have to think about it is like a business. I'm trying to come in, I'm trying to make a weekly profit, reset, come back the next week. All right. So in total, 34 points, $1,700 a contract. Let me walk you through this setups now. Okay. So on this day, we did strictly Fibonacci on the Thursday, and I'm going to walk you through. Okay. So here we go. So here is Thursday's price action. I will hit the replay and walk you through. All right. So on Thursday, you can see we had a gap up here. This gap up, though, was very choppy. Okay. So we waited patiently to see if we can get a direction. Okay. Because you could see we're going sideways for the first 20 minutes. And then this candle, boom, that candle came in right there, guys. A very strong outside bar. This outside bar, especially with this high wick right here, what it did is you could see it trapped any breakout greedy buyers, any rookies right here. The high was 4414. You can see 4435 went up by about 20 cents, right? And it trapped the rookies that bought that new high right there. You could see them in the wick getting sold off, and it came down really, really hard. Hit me with a 12 if you see that. Okay, so what we did right here, I'm going to go into our Fibonacci channel. I'm going to walk you through the setups we took with the bots and everything like that. All right, so here we go. So this was our setup right here. Okay, so we ended up going short, and with the help of the Fib bot as well, that's helping us call out the fills and the targets. We went short at 10.27, and I'll show you that right here. So this was the first trick for me to see, okay, there is a bull trap right there. And then I just waited for that push down. Then we drew the Fib. So we drew the Fib from high to low. And what we were focusing on, guys, only the 618, nothing else. Right? So just focus on that 618. That's the key. So here we go. Start coming back into, there's our fill right here, 618 short. We pause for 1 second. Let's talk about this. Okay. You can also see the Fibonacci bot, afternoon leg, 618 fill. That's right here at 1027. So if you look at this chart, guys, would you feel nervous to take this trade? Hit me with a 1 if yes, hit me with a 2 if no. And the Fibonacci, guys, what it's designed to do is actually do the opposite of the chart. The Fibonacci is designed to look at the first leg. So this first push was a push down. Okay, so with that push down, what the Fibonacci is saying is any retracement that comes in, any pullback that comes in, this bear might try again to continue this leg. Okay, so that's why we take that short, even though this looks a little bit scary. Look at these 3 green candles, guys, but we have our stop loss up here for protection, and then we come down, boom, boom, took a little bit of time, but right here, guys, new low, bang. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. You can see right here, step by step, afternoon leg, new low of day, home run right there. Boom, step by step. Really, really nice trade. Okay, I'm going to double click on this now, and I'm going to show you something. All right, so we're going to put on the full. So I like using the full, guys, to look at the extensions. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's bring this out here. Now look at this extensions. Okay, so we filled in the 618, 786 area, right? So this algorithm was trading symmetrically, meaning it was taking those pullbacks and trading to those extensions. So let's keep an eye on the 618 to 786 area. Okay. So now for those of you that want to trade options, this is basically one of the first little tips here is the pullback. Okay. The pullback and the extension. The pullback, what it will do is allow you for, if you're going to get puts, the premiums are mainly going to be cheaper when you get pullback, because when the bulls are running it up, you'll looking for the puts. And if you want to go long, what you do is you wait for the bears to complete their selling using the Fibonacci extension. You can use a zone where you have a low risk, high reward opportunity. Hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. Okay. So now if you're saying, hey, how do I catch this falling knife? Okay, well, we could see bear pull back to the 618, straight to the extension. Okay. So we're waiting here in this zone. We're waiting in this zone to see, okay, if we can get down to this extension, this is where I can go for some lotto calls. And that right there, guys, this was our play of the week. And I'm going to show you another tool that we use for this. Okay. So I'm going to go right here to the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to go back to Thursday. Okay. And I already have this drawn up for you. Okay. So right here, this is 10 o'clock. And this is 1027. This is where we shorted originally right here. Okay. So there's SPY. So this is the same price action right here. Okay. So that's what we're trading here. This is how it looks on futures. It's the same chart, S&P 500. So here's our high to our low. Okay. So this is the area where we shorted. So what I'm going to show you something now, guys, is something that's going to blow your mind. All right. So let's play SPY. So we come down. We tag that 618 right there. Boom. So there's our 618. There's the completion of that bear. So that bear taking that pullback, trading extension, that's where you want to go for the, if you want to play lotto calls, guys, you wait for that extension. That's going to be your best bet generally to get the best risk to reward. Okay. And then from here, guys, you could see we rallied. Okay. And we actually rallied. This was the low on Thursday, and it took us all the way into the close of Friday. If you bought those lotto plays there, guys, right there, 0 GT on Friday, you could have easily hit at least 300 or 400%, depending on your fill. Some people hit 1,000%. Okay, hit me with the 7 if that makes sense. But what the real trick was here, guys, I'm going to show you something that's not even on this chart, and you're going to be mind blown. So you'll see in the room what we did, guys, on that day is we had the pre-market Fibonacci drawn up. So right here, look, right here we got filled, pre-market Fibonacci target hit, pre-market Fibonacci 618 filled long. So let me show you that now. So look, this is the 618 extension. This is the bottom of SPY on Thursday. But what about if we look left? Uh-oh. Look left, guys. Coming into the open, look at this rally. Okay, so this rally, guys, started basically at midnight. We rallied from midnight. Okay, so from midnight, we were rallying all the way into the open, 10 o'clock, 10 hours of candles. We did this leg, but if we look to the left, my friends, and let me go get the Fibonacci from here. So our pre-market low right here, 40.5475. Okay, watch this now. 40.5475 right there. Pull it to the top, guys. Now you're going to be stunned. Check this out. So let me delete that leg. This was also the 786. Okay, this was the 786 of the pre-market. So guys, that was such a beautiful trade because we had the Fibonacci from the overnight. Guys, there was a buyer. Look at this buyer. This buyer ran the market up midnight to 10, sold off during regular trading hours, bought again, guys, and then took it into Friday all the way into, look at this, guys. That type of trade, guys, institutionals with the size they have, we're talking about millions and millions and millions of dollars. But what I love so much about it, whether you're doing $1 million, whether you're doing $1, the Fibonacci is right there. Hit me with the 7 if that was amazing. All right. So we perfected Thursday. Okay. Because we took that short, the short completed, and then the bull came in. We saw the bull overnight, and we took that bull, guys, straight in. So you could see right here. This is our pre-market fill, target hit, bang. Beautiful. Hit me with some fire on that trade, guys. That was a nice one. All right. But it's not always going to be that clean. And I'm going to show you. Okay. So Thursday is where we pretty much made all of our money. But right before that, on Wednesday, we got kicked in the face. Okay. We got kicked in the face. So I'll show you that. So on Wednesday, we tried our same approach. We took our Fibonacci from our high to our low. We went short right here on our 618, and we got stopped out right there. So you could see we lost 24 points, net minus 1,200. The range was so big on that day that we just got destroyed, even though it was just one trade. So no system is perfect. And what I always tell you guys is prepare to lose at least once or twice a week. Okay. But you have 5 days. If you can win 2 or 3 days and hit those, then this doesn't even matter. But this is a business, and every business has a cost. In trading, you have a system. No system is 100%. Anybody that tells you that is scamming you, and just have to take the winners and the losers as they come. But you can see, guys, even though we lost 24 points, we came back the next day, hit 40 points, okay, 50 points. That's the way you got to do it, okay? So that was an unfortunate trade, but I want to just show you guys, nothing's 100%. But for me, I always feel confident that at least I have a good risk reward and I'm not chasing pennies, all right? Okay. So now we're going to go to Tuesday. Tuesday was great again. I'll walk you guys through Tuesday, and then we'll go back into the fib room with the bot. So let me just get the date. Tuesday was the 28th. All right, let's go back there. 29, 28. Okay. All right. So right off the bat, the morning Fibonacci leg, we lost 6 points, minus 6 points. But the afternoon Fibonacci leg, we made 15 points, net 9 points, $450 a contract. This one I really want to show you guys about reading the legs. Okay, let's go into it. So first 5-minute bar comes in. You can see there's a long bullish wick here. Right off the bat here, guys, there was a fib that traded, but we did not take this one just because we weren't sure. We were unclear. But if I go from low to high right here, guys, you can see that 618, just so beautiful. And then we came up and we traded to the extension right there. Okay. So this right here, there was a lot of fibs going on within the first half an hour, but we decided to wait until we had this direction. This direction came in. So now we took our fib from our low to our high. Let me go ahead and just put the 618 on for you guys. And then we ended up getting this fill right there. And bam, guys, this one was a heartbreaker. You could see that. It just came down so strong. Okay, so let me just show you that in Discord. You could see 618 filled long, new low of day, stop loss. So we got stopped out. It is what it is. All right. But from there, luckily we're able to bounce back because we saw how brutal this leg was. Right. Look out. Do you see the size of this candle, guys? Is this the biggest candle on the chart at the time? Hit me with a 2 if yes. So right there, this is what I want to talk about, the concept of changing the legs. Changing the legs, because now I said, okay, with the size of that bar, the bull is probably dead. Okay, it's probably not going to be able to fight that. That's a big selling coming in right there. So what we did right there, guys, we just drew up our fib again. We took the afternoon leg fill short. We hit our targets. Boom, boom, boom. Home run. Okay, so let me show you that one now. So if we go right here from high, so we just drew our fib high to low, waiting on our 618. There's our fill right there. Stop loss at the high for protection. Okay, it went sideways for a little bit, guys, and then boom, finally, we got that sell-off right into the near the end of the day, into the afternoon. So that one was really, really nice. Okay, so that's just bouncing back and being able to read the fibs. Hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. All right, so that just want to show you guys, took a loser, came right back. And sometimes you just gotta look at how powerful, like if you see the size of that bar, guys, how powerful is that candle? How strong is it the biggest candle on the chart? If the answer is yes, a lot of times, if you get a pullback, it's going to put up a fight. Okay. And then I just want to say the last one here, guys. This was on Monday. I'm just going to draw this up real quick. So we took an afternoon leg from high to low right there. There was our 618 fill. And unfortunately, this was late in the day. This was around 3 o'clock. So we only had an hour left, but you could see we sold off pretty well and we're able to make 7 points on that trade. I wish that we could go back and have this a little bit earlier in the day. Then it would have given us more time potentially if you wanted to crash, but still caught something into the close. I'm happy with that. Okay, hit me with a 2 if that makes sense. So how do you suggest someone start? Just watch the YouTube. There's a lot of playlists. If you're just learning right here, go to the resources page. And everything pretty much, I try to design this like if I were to go back in time as a beginner, how I would do this. So we have the trade of the week. Every week you can read up on there. Here's all of our educational videos and our short, quick guides. Tools, here's a trading journal for you. Here's my scanners, my free indicators, everything, the broker I use, guys. So if you're just brand new and you want to start off, check out tradingwars.com resources. When you're ready, then I would get a book and then come for 30 days in the Discord when you're ready. But you want to make sure that you do some of the early resources in the beginning. So then when you read the book, everything will make a lot more sense. Okay. No problem, brother. All right. That's it, man. So that was the weekly recap. So what I'm going to do now is I just want to go ahead and look at a quick market update. And then from there, we're going to look at new interaction broker video, futures review, and some giveaways. Okay. So I'm going to go to SPY and I'm going to go to the weekly. So this is something that I noticed on SPY. Okay. If I take my Fibonacci from high to low, okay, and I'm going to put on the full. So SPY has been up for 1 to 3 weeks in a row. Very bullish power in the last 3 weeks. I don't trade the 50, Brandon, just because the risk to reward is not there for me unless I have a double rejection. Okay, so right here, guys, we're in the zone right here. This is our golden zone for the fibs to short. I do think, guys, after 3 weeks, some people will be a little bit greedy and they're going to be chasing and chasing and chasing. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just looking for any type of weakness to short. I do have long-term plays on Microsoft. You guys know that. I'm up a lot on that. So I do need to hedge myself. And what I actually did right here, guys, is I did take a short, and I'm just going to show you right now. All right. So futures opened, and I'm actually shorting the Russell. Futures opened right here at 6 o'clock. So we had this gap fill. Okay. So I took this gap fill right here, guys. Boom. And I went short when we filled the gap. That's just an old school style of trading. So SPY is more bullish than anything. You can see the Russell is not as strong as SPY. That's why I decided to short the Russell. I have my stop loss for protection, guys. If you really want to protect yourself, you could just put a stop loss right above this gap if you want to be tight with it. But yeah, I shorted right into here. I'm up a little bit right now. I'm not even going to look at it because I don't want to. It's a longer term play for me, but I am up something. So I'm happy about that. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I shared my setup right here with the Trading Wars Army. So if you guys want to be able to, every single day I post exclusive patterns, raindrops, different option plays. You could see sometimes I post a full spreadsheet for the Trading Wars Army. This was the one that I posted, the Trading Wars Army, with the puts that we're looking for, different setups. If you guys really want to get some extra content, support the channel, click the join button. It's right below in the description. It's $4.99 a month, guys. And every single day I try to give some special picks, some special something, secret sauce for my team that helps me out, for you guys. All right, I really appreciate you guys. All right, so what we're gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go into YouTube and I'm gonna show you the video that we did. Okay, so I went ahead and released this video on Saturday. Interactive Brokers Automated Options Tutorial for Beginners 2023. So it took me a long time to make this video and to get approved. I had to get approved by Interactive Brokers to do this. And, you know, guys, like, it took me a while. So this is a really good video on how to enter those options automated. You can use the triggers that I post every single day and put these in automated. Obviously, do your due diligence, do paper trading first, because it does involve risk, guys. And with Interactive Brokers, you guys already know, I told you a while ago, I have a deal with them that if you click on my links, Interactive Broker links, if you click on any one of these links, you don't even need to sign up. They they support me, basically. Okay, so you don't even need to sign up. So I would really appreciate if you guys could check these link outs. So this video I did right here is based on the conditional orders right there. So there's the written guide and here's the video. So I really, really hope you guys get a chance to look at this. It took me a lot of time, and you can see right here, I went into the broker right here. I showed everything step by step that I do. Hit me with a 10 if you guys are excited for that. Okay. And what I'm going to do right now, go ahead and just leave a comment on this video, and then I'll pick a winner for the giveaway there. And again, if you guys are looking to join the army, that's where you click right there, $4.99 a month if you guys are interested. Okay. All right. So what else do we have to do today? So we're going to do the giveaway. What else do we have to do? I had to do something else. So giveaway. I talked about the short that I'm in right now in the Russell with the gap fill. Candace, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, guys. Let's welcome Candace in. Hit me with the TW Army Spy VIP. We're the Army members. Where are you guys at? You know, really appreciate you guys, man. Thanks for that. So go ahead, leave that comment. We'll do a giveaway, right? Super excited for this week. I'm excited about this short. I got everything that I asked for. We had a gap fill. That's a textbook short. I hope I'm gonna make some money on this, but if not, it's totally fine. Have my stop loss for protection. Keep the ball rolling. Okay. All right, here we go. There we go. Bill, thank you for the shout out. Rod, thank you. Briggs, good to see you guys. Thank you for the support. Okay, let's go. This video is ready. Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining. I really hope, guys, that this video could go viral, because I put in a lot of work on it, and not a lot of people actually trade where they could tell you the reality of what they do with their trading and automation. Automation is such a big deal. It's been a big deal for me my whole career. When I was, working crazy hours, guys, I would not be able to trade. And I would put these orders in the night before, go to my 9 to 5 and let it do its thing. That's how I got started. And that's how I took the emotions out, because I either come home to a profit or to a loss. My loss is managed and my profit, I have my targets and I'm good. Okay. So does that sound like something that would interest you guys? Hit me with a 4. Hit me with a 4. Welcome back to Trading Wars. So it says 8 comments here, but there's way more than 8. So something is wrong with this thing. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to pick a number. I'm going to do a random number generator, 1 to 20. Looks like there's about 20 comments. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Send me a drum roll. Let's go, guys. 17. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Tom Crane, you are the winner, my brother. Tom Crane, I hope you're on the stream. I don't know. I don't think I saw you today. But Tom, you are the winner. You'll get your 1 month for free and a book of your choice. Hop into the Discord and come and trade with us tomorrow, okay? Do you have a set stop loss on your automated option orders? Generally, with automated options, if I do a lotto, I'm going to risk what I put in, or I could put a stop loss around 50% of the contract. That's what I like to do with options. Okay. All right, Tom. Thank you, guys. Let's send some love to Tom. Let's send some 9s to Tom. You are the winner. And don't worry, guys. We always will do these giveaways every single Sunday. So if you missed out now, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and you'll be able to play again tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Sorry, next Sunday. Hey, maybe I might do one tomorrow. Let's see. So I posted the free options ideas for the regular YouTube subscribers. Just subscribe, guys. You can get all my setups here. And then I have the bonus picks for the Trading Wars Army members. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do now is just going to do my outro, guys, and then I'm done. So check me out, Trading Wars Army, guys. As always, tradingwars.com is the place to be. So if you get any one of our 3 books, you get 1 month for free in the Discord, plus the Golden and Nirvana indicators for life. Or you can sign up right here on the main page. Something that I want to really do here, I want to do a shout out to my younger brother, Derry. So this is his trading. He's in the Discord as well. This is what he was able to accomplish for March. And if we just look at this, I really hope, guys, if you guys are taking this seriously, that you do this level of journaling. So you could see right here, he's risking about 400 a trade. And you can see the winners. Look at the winners, 1,200, 1,200, 1,224, 1,140, 1,251. Look at the losers, 430, 500, 388. What do you guys notice there? Right? What's the key here? And I spoke to one of the brothers the other day, one of my Discord members who's struggling. This is what you need to do, guys. This type of journaling, and you always need to ensure when you look at those winners, are those winners higher than the losers? If they're not, then what that means is you're cutting yourself short. You're playing a mathematical game that's going to be very, very hard to win. Okay. So that's the key for you guys right there. All right. I'm out. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate you guys. Hope to see you in the Discord. And let's go ahead and have another great week. All right. Take care. Hit the comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you again.